In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Excel in WPS Office Mobile. Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to open, preview, and edit Excel files directly on your mobile device using the WPS Office app. This walkthrough is designed to sound smooth and natural when read aloud, making it easy to follow for beginners as well as everyday users who need to work with spreadsheets on the go. To get started, open the WPS Office app on your mobile phone and wait for it to load completely. Once the app is open, locate the Files section and tap on it. This area allows you to access documents stored on your device or in other locations connected to WPS Office, making it simple to manage your files from one place. From here, you will need to find the Excel file you want to open. If your Excel file is saved directly on your phone, tap on This device. This option helps you quickly browse files stored in your local phone storage. You can then move through your folders until you locate the Excel file you are looking for. Taking a moment to navigate carefully makes it easier to find your file with unnecessary searching. Once you find the Excel file, tap on it to open. WPS Office will automatically load the file and display a preview of the spreadsheet. In preview mode, you can scroll through the sheet, view the data, and check how everything is laid out. This is helpful if you only need to review information without making any changes. If you want to edit the Excel file, simply tap the Edit option. This switches the file into editing mode and allows you to modify cells, update values, and adjust content directly from your mobile device. WPS Office provides spreadsheet tools that make editing on a phone both practical and efficient, even when working with larger files. While editing, you can tap on individual cells to enter new data or revise existing information. You can also explore the available spreadsheet tools to adjust formatting, manage rows and columns, and organize your data more clearly. These tools help you maintain accuracy and keep your spreadsheet easy to understand. Any changes you make will apply directly to the file stored on your device, so it is important to save your work once you are finished editing. This entire process allows you to open and work on Excel files anytime and anywhere without needing access to a computer. Whether you are reviewing data, making quick updates, or managing spreadsheets while on the move, WPS Office Mobile keeps everything simple and accessible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.